This looks complicated, but I promise it's surprisingly simple. You'll feel calm, creative, and totally capable. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Hobbi 101, the cozy corner of the internet where we slow down and draw mindful magic together. Today, we're tangling with 4 of my favorite patterns: Gneiss, Flux, Diva Dance, and Tipple. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Grab your pen and tile. I'm using a Micron 01 pen, and let's begin. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so we can keep tangling together every week. We'll start with a simple circle in the top corner. I'm using a pop can. From here, draw radiating lines outward like a starburst or a sunburst. Think of it like slicing a pie. These will be the sections for Gneiss, a starburst pattern that brings drama and energy. Now, alternate black and white sections, filling in every other wedge. Don't stress about perfection. Just let your pen dance between light and dark. This pattern looks striking, but it's actually very meditative. Now we want to draw the lines around each of those wedges. Think of it like the rings in the trunk of a tree, or sediment layers in a cross-section of rock. Now let's fill the middle with Flux, a beautiful organic shape that feels like leaves unfurling or water droplets dancing. Start from the center and draw gentle teardrop curves reaching outward. Vary the size, and remember, it's all about flow. Add little details between the Flux shapes with a Micron 005 or smaller nibbed pen. Add some dots or orbs to bring depth. Fill in gaps with orbs like tiny Tipple pattern to add interest and texture. Here's some truth. I used to avoid this pattern because my curves felt clumsy. But now it's one of my go-to patterns. It's forgiving and flows beautifully when you let go of the pressure. To balance out the more complex shapes, we'll fill the side with Tipple, just clusters of circles. Vary their size and let them nestle into each other. It's playful, bubbly, and brings a sense of calm to the composition. Diva Dance is up next, and it's a total confidence booster if you're new to tangling. Now we're moving into one of my absolute favorites, Diva Dance. I'm using the Waltz variation, though you might see hints of the foxtrot too. Think of it like drawing to music. For the waltz, it's 1, 2, bump, 1, 2, bump, just like a 3/4 rhythm, 3/4 rhythm. The foxtrot flows with 1, 2, 3, bump, 1, 2, 3, bump, a smooth 4/4 beat. So start at one edge and let your lines ripple across like sound waves. Add bumps, little orbs, whatever feels natural. It's rhythmic, meditative, and totally free form. Let it dance across the page. Okay, now it's time to bring it to life with shading. Add pencil under the Flux petal, along the Diva Dance waves, and around the Gneiss wedges to make them pop. Then, smudge gently with a blending stump. This part always feels like magic. The flat lines come alive. Here's a tip. If shading feels intimidating, try thinking of where light wouldn't reach. Just go lightly. You can always add more. And there you have it, 4 tangles coming together in harmony. I hope this brought you some peace and joy today. If you drew along with me, I'd love to see it. Post your tile on Instagram with #Hobbi101Tangle. You might even get featured in a future video or community post. If you enjoyed this creative moment, hit that like button and subscribe for more mindful art. Which pattern was your favorite today? Gneiss, Diva Dance, Flux, or Tipple? Let me know in the comments below.